Hey everybody, if your Instagram story is having an upload error, in this video we are going to guide you through some fixes. So let's just dive right in and get started. So first of all, let's access our quick settings panel and we can check out internet connection here. You can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to rule out a weak connection and try posting of a story. That is one of the method available. Apart from that, you can force stop the application and reopen it. For that, you can hold the app and go to their info and directly look out for the force stop option in the bottom right corner and tap on it and confirm it up. Click on OK. And once that is done, you can reopen the application on your screen. Also, restart your phone. You can hold the power button for that and look out for the restart option. Just a simple restart should fix many temporary glitches that may be there, so you can do so and check it out. Also, go to your App Store or Play Store for any available updates. So you can head over there, and within there, you can search it up, Insta. And if there is any kind of update available, you can update the application. You can directly find an update option there. If not that, you can install the application right here and again reinstall it. That should install the latest version available directly. Apart from that, you can ensure that your phone's operating system is also current. So you can go to your settings and scroll down. Look out for the option for software update and tap on it and update your operating system to the latest version. And at last, you can even clear out the data or cache. You can hold the app and go to their info. And once you go to their info, you can scroll, go to storage, and look out for the clear cache. If not that, you need to clear out the data, and that should also probably fix the issue. And if nothing else works, you can report it to Instagram. Usually, these are some of the solutions you can follow up to fix that error. So try it out and let us know. We hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.